Metal mounting bracket. In this video, we will show you how to solder the metal mounting bracket onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. With this component, the orientation is important. Use the markings on the PCB to ensure you have got it the right way round. The screw thread should be facing out from the PCB. With this component, you should not bend the legs. Holding it in place, turn the board over, ensuring that the component is flat. If this is tricky, you can also use blue tack. Next, solder two of the legs in opposite corners to the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help. This should hold the component in place. Turn the board over and check that it is still flat. It is difficult to reposition the component once all the legs are soldered, so it is good practice to check. Solder the rest of the legs to the solder pads in turn.